Mark Powell here. This is Joe Finksler. Welcome to the second video in our PM conversion series. In this video, we will walk you through a PM conversion success story.
This Hinge application was originally manufactured as an assembly consisting of 3 stampings riveted together and a cam form machined to smooth the edge.
In working with our customer, we were able to solve their biggest design challenges to create a more cost-effective, efficient, and visually appealing component.
Let's walk through the conversion process. The original part material was a wrought stainless steel. A stainless steel PM grade was selected for this conversion because it provided an acceptable level of corrosion and wear resistance for the application. The original subassembly required stacking, aligning, and securing 3 stampings together in order to achieve the required thickness of 360 thousandths of an inch. With PM, we're able to press the part to the required thickness, meeting all the geometry requirements. The advantages of the PM process over the original process are: smooth edge detail on the cam form provides a running surface against the roller. In the original stamp version, the cam form required machining on the roller surface. With a single stroke, the net-shaped part is created, meaning the holes, mounting features, and edge detail are all complete in that stroke. As a result, the component has a cleaner look. All features are held to a tighter tolerance and uniform shape, eliminating potential issues caused by misalignment of the stampings during the assembly process.
As a result of this conversion, we were able to help our customer solve several issues. First, PM improved part cost by eliminating assembly and machining operations. Second, the net-shaped form created a smooth running surface for the hinge in the roller assembly. And finally, the integration of additional features improved installation time for completing the finished assembly. If you have a part that is a good conversion candidate, contact Atlas Press Metals at 814-299-7203 for a part review.
Or, to continue watching this series or learn more about Atlas Press Metals, check out our other content here.